So guys, now still we are going to discussing about more for access tools like a access strike, access loader, freak, and GXSS, and Dolphox, and SSRF map, and GovERs. So we would like to try to test each and every tool. Now, we would like to try to get started. So, first, we would like to start with access strike. I can open this uh, Firefox. Now, I would like to close this. So, you just type here as access strike GitHub. Now, I would like to try here. Now, let me just copy, come back here, just type it as git clone and paste this repository. Access strike. So it may take a little bit lengthy time process to clone, and we just go here as access strike. Now just type it as plus minus here. Now we have a requirements.txt. So for that I would like to install a virtual environment. Now just type it as pip3 install minus a requirements.txt. That's we have done here. Now just type it as list minus a. Just copy this one. We just type it as a python 3 access strike.python. Where we can see here everything. It's access strike with the version is 3.1.5. So I don't have anything else right now. Now I would like to test only this testing website vulnerweb.com. That's it. Then later we would like to try as another one. I would like to try here. I would like to try to copy, come back here. Let me just type here as access strike minus u, then let's just paste it here. Now, this will check web application firewall status is offline, then payloads is generated. Now, it start for a checking. We need to wait until, okay, and it will check with a parameter ID and artist and everything. Once we have got all the progresses done, we can see each and report of this access. Now we need to wait for that. So in access strike is like a cross-site scripting detection tool equipped with 4 handwritten paths and intelligence payload generator, a powerful for fuzzing engine, and incredibly a fast crawler instead of injecting a payloads and checking it work like with other tools like access strike analyze and response, a multi-parser, and craft the payload that are guaranteed to work by context by analysis and integrated with a fuzzing engine. So in this access strike, what are the main features we can get here? In the access strike, we can get like a reflected and DOM access scanning and multi-thread crawling, context analysis, configuration core, web application firewall detection and evasion, web application status. You can see here it shows automatically is offline. And outdated JavaScript and library scanning, intelligence payload generator, handmade HTML and JavaScript parser, powerful fuzzing engine, blind access support, highly reached workflow, complete HTTP support, and brute force payload of a file powered by Python and Jetonize and Arjun. So Jetonize is also like parameter fuzzing that also is available, and it can also encode a payload. Now, let's we would like to look here. This is take a lengthy time process, so I would like to try to test as a another one. Now, I would like to try here as less. Yeah, we just type here as a Python 3 access strike dot Python. Okay, it need to work under virtual environment minus u. In the u a targeted place, I would like to enter a somewhat a targeted URL. Let's I would like to here as I would like to enter as my own targeted here, buretlogic.com from Brazil, multi dot yes, objects, object 3.php, p equal to 3. Let's try this. Unable to connect to the target. Let's try to open this. Okay. No, it no have at all. No, the targeted website is unavailable. So, this case we cannot able to get. Now, I can try here as something like no, we don't have anything else right now at the moment. Now, let it go that work. Let it complete that work. Then we cannot able to disturb that. Then later we would like to see this one. What is the results we can get here? Now, we have done with the access try. Now, we would like to try with as access loader. Access loader is like access payload generator for access scanner and access dot finder. So, we would like to try to look this. So, we would like to go and get this, the two. Now, let's come back. Access loader, GitHub. We would like to go to here. Now, we would like to try to clone this. The repository, just copy, come back. Just type it as git clone and paste this repository. Now, we would like to go for as access loader. Now just type plus minus a. Now just type here as pip3 install minus a requirements.txt. Somewhat it's not at install, so we just leave it that. Access scan.python. So this is the what? So even which we have a Cloudflare and dark data, we can also generate with the dark for access and payloader.python and everything. So now I just type it as Python 3 access scan.python. We just try here minus help. Why? We didn't get here. We would like to try this. Uh, we don't want to try this. I would like to try with payloader.python. This is the best Python 3 payloader.python. Now, where we are getting here, look here, access loader 2, coded by DMR. So, you want to try a basic payload, div payload, image payload, body payload, SVG payload, enter your payload, access scanner, and access dot finder and exit. So, where we have got all these things. So, still this access track is scanned. Now, we would like to try here as a basic payload. Now, you can look here. A basic payloads is like you have almost all are 28 cases. All created payloads. You can look here, UTF-7 encode, parent is a bypass, UTF-8 encode, UTF-16 encode, UTF-32 encode, HTML payloads, everything we can get here. Now, we would like to go for as a new payload. No, payload tag is 3. So what else you have entered? Everything which will go here. Clear. Now we would like to try here as file. So this is the file as SVG image alert. You try here anything else. So I can bring back here. You can try here. Now try to go here. You can look here, error. You have error in SQL syntax, check manual that correspond to a MySQL. Where at one locate. We can see here in the one place if you enter anything else, you can get here. Now you can look here as SVG, image payload, where you can look here in the search query. In the one place, you can try here as Pentester Club. Then let's try to go here. But right now, we didn't get anything else as a pentester club. We need to try on beginning only. Each and every time, once you try to execute, that will be automatically will present here. So if you want to enter your payload, you can enter. Now, if you want to try to for as access scanner, enter your targeted URL. Let's come back here. This is your targeted URL. Let's come back. Let's just press it. I want to put here as 2. Default as basic payload list, the image payload list. I would like to try with a mixed payload list. Now you can look here, you can try what else you like from here. That will give you the right results. It's still taking time. So this is how you can do with as a access loader. You can try any one thing. You can try this. Open the link. Unknown column iframe where it closes the error. You can look here, iframe exploit. So now let's come back here. So this is as a payload. Wow. Now let me just write for this one as exit. Now let me just write it as clear. Now let's come back. It's still in progress. Now we would like to try this. Another one is a Fox GitHub. So this a Fox is also as a XS scanner. So Fox is a powerful open source tool that focuses on automation, making it ideal for quickly scanning for excess flaws and analyzing a parameters. It advanced testing engine and niche features and designs in streamline and process for detecting and verifying vulnerabilities. We would like to try here, just copy, come back, we just try here as git clone and paste this repository. So So, what are the main key features we can get here in the Fox? So, it can scan the URL and access file servers and pages. And it can also discover a parameter analysis and static analysis, behavior testing and parameter mining. It has a reflected and sort and DOM based with optimization and DOM headless verification. Now we would like to go for as a Fox. Now just write it as plus minus AR. Now let me just type it as a clear. Yeah. Now either you want to go with this CMD mode with Go. It's better. I have already installed a Go where let me just type it as clear. Now CD CMD less minus L where I think to install this one. No, I think we don't have this one. I would like to go here. Let me just type it as clear. Now just type plus minus here. Go. I would like to put only this one. Go. Build with dolphox.go. That's it. Now it will try to go for a building. Now let's see how long it may can take for building this one. So there are a multiple access tools in your bug bounty. You need to try it all by your own. So I just making only the main important things only here. That's it. So it may take a little bit lengthy time process. We need to wait for this. Now we would like to switch here. The is uh, progress is generated. Now we would like to look here plugins requirements. We didn't get test.html only. That's it. We didn't get any type of output seen here. Reflection is found only. That's it. But we didn't see anything else apart from here. The results in this case. So you want to try some other things like we just put here as to. It may also take more a lengthy time process to get it done this one. So it may take more lengthy time process also for this. So then later we would like to, this is done. Now just type here as clear. You just put here as a $fox minus minus help. Now let me just type here as clear. So where I have here as a $fox. Now let's, we would like to try to utilize this a $fox. Now, utilizing that one, just utilize here, go run a $fox dot go minus minus help. Let's see. Yes, I have got it here. Now, either use a file mode of the targeted list, otherwise, it also use sorted XSS payloads. Otherwise, you can use a sorted XSS for a blind string with a cookie and data string, flow a redirect and header string, then method with the X. You can look here. Then later we would like to put here as dbox minus s. That's it here. Now I want to scan a targeted URL. Let me just put here as a $fox URL. Let me, I would like to go and get this targeted URL. Just copy, come back, then let's just paste it here. It's command not found because this is not going to be worked out in uh, Linux. So it's worked out in the Ubuntu. It's quite and pretty good. So we just type here as uh, URL. Let me just paste. It will work out. You can look here. Found 28 testing points in DOM-based parameter mining. Now, where you have find here as a reflected and access payload. So you just need to find the right parameter ID and write the point. That's it. Then you can find everything from here. So you don't need to worry much about this one. That's it here. So this is a dot box, and still more. You, if you want to try, you can let me. I just put here as, let me just put here as clear. Let me just go for a here as 2. So let's, you can look here. It will try to find automatically that. You can look here. Exactly, you can find for bug mode. You can also do your own target. Now I would like to try as another thing as, let me, I would like to go back here, PWN access as a GitHub. So this is a another a vulnerability scanner tool. This is a best tool which we would like to try here. A powerful access scanner made in Python 3.7. Let's we would like to try here. Let me just copy, come back. Let's we would like to go back here. Let me just type here as clear. We just try here as git clone and paste this repository. Now we just wrote here as pwn access. Now I just type plus minus a. Now we just install the requirements. Now we just copy, come back here clear. I just type it as a python 3 access.python, where we have got here. Now let me just type here as clear. Now just put here as your targeted URL. Now let me, I would like to copy this. Now let's come back. Let me just paste here. Why this error will come? Because I didn't get provided before as HTTPS. You need to present HTTP before. Then it will not give you any type of errors. You can look here a critical warning. So this tool is more helpful for a bug bounty hunters. So every bug bounty hunters must and should be try all these tools. Let's you can look here. You can get a lot of payloads, including with the scripts. You can add your own scripts and with the cloud phase also. It will be uh, done here. So when it was automatically fine, you can look here in the critical place. You can enter this script, go button or somewhere else. Now you want to entirely, you just look this, you try to open the image file. You can look here where you can get the bound if you try like this. Now, we would like to try to go for us another tool. So each and everything which is presented here, uh, let's you try this another one. You would like to put here as PCPL Alex. So let's okay. You can look here. Error is 0, where you can get the bounty. That's it. Now, I would like to go here as another tool here as GoFirus, GoFirus a GitHub. So this tool generates a GoFira link for exploiting uh, SSRF and gaining a remote code execution in various servers. So if you know a place which SSRF vulnerable, then this tool will help you to generate Gopher payload for exploiting server-side request forgery and gaining a remote code execution. And also, it will help you to get the reverse shell on the victim server. And for more information, you can get here. Let's, we would like to go here, come back. Now, you just need to close this repository. Now, let's try to do this repository. Just copy, come back. Let me just type here. Let me just type as clear. You just type git clone and paste your repository. Now, let's go here as go Ferus. Now just type plus minus air. Now, we would like to try here as a bash install.sh. This is permission is denied. Okay, sudo su, enter your password, bash install.sh. This is done. I'll just type exit. Let me just type here as clear. Now, uh, so this tool can generate a payloads like for MySQL along with PostgreSQL, fast CGI port, and MimiChat port. If stored a data is getting like a deserialized by Python, Ruby, PHP, or some other thing, and Redis, Javix port, and SMTP ports also it will be done. Now just type it as plus minus a. Now let's just copy. We just type it as a Python 3. Go Python. Let's look here. Minus minus help. Okay. Let's try with the now. Let's we would like to try here. It is this tool in Python. I would like to try with only with as a exploit for MySQL. Give MySQL username is I would like to put here as uh, uh, give a query to execute hello Pentest Club rewards. So where your gopher link is ready for SRM. So you need to replace with your uh, targeted domain here. That's it. Where you have got your payload, everything. So this is a payload. If you try with this, let's you try to open the link, fail to open the targeted URL because you need to. I didn't even activate as MySQL along with an Apache server. This is the mistake here. That's it. Everything is fine. Now, even you can look here as you can try here as another thing here as uh, PostgreSQL username. Let I would like to put here as a test database name uh, PostgreSQL query. Hey you, I just put here. So this you need to activate the Postgres and everything where you just need to copy everything this command you can insert it. So I don't have activation to show uh, this one right now. Now let's let me just type here as fast CGI reduce SMTP. I would like to look for only the SMTP now. Okay, then let me SMTP then PHP. I would like to try here. I would like to put for as SMTP mail from I would like to put for test@gmail.com mail to uh, I would like to write here mail to here as uh, Elon Musk Elon Musk @gmail.com subject uh, you are fired message get out from my office. So where you need to import this one, the targeted domain and the targeted port that automatically there. You just need to import this one. Then that will give you the automatically exploit it. Now let I would like to put here as so in MySQL places, if the user is not protected with a password, you can dump their databases. This is most powerful in access. Now I want to try here as a PHP. Now have PHP. PHP Mimikatz. Okay. Oh, sorry. We would like to try here as a PHP Mimikatz. Let me try here. PHP and so any type of PHP targeted website. Example, hello, hello, Pentest Club viewers. This is payload. This one. After everything done, you can delete the meme cached item by using the payload. Using this, you just need to exploit it. That's it. So that's it here for all access payloads. So there are more upcoming tools that I would like to make another time as a video for doing this a bug bounty. This is enough. Now, later, we would like to go for post header injections.